What you see is not what you get. The light that illuminates your world, every color from red to violet, is just a tiny sliver of reality. We are functionally blind to 99.9% of the universe's light, a vast family called the electromagnetic spectrum. It all starts with a cosmic speed limit, 300,000 kilometers per second. In the vacuum of space, every form of light travels at this exact same speed. The only thing that changes between them is their wavelength and their energy. Let's take a tour. At the long wavelength, low energy end, we have our daily workhorses. Radio waves, some as long as buildings, carry our music and phone calls. Microwaves cook our food and guide our GPS. Infrared is the heat you feel from a fire, the signature that night vision goggles see. These are all non-ionizing. They don't have the punch to break our atomic bonds. Then there's our little sliver of visible light. But cross the threshold past violet, and things get dangerous. We enter the realm of ionizing radiation. Ultraviolet, or UV, has enough energy to burn your skin and damage your DNA. That's why we wear sunscreen. Go higher, and you get X-rays, powerful enough to pass through skin but not bone, giving doctors a window into your body. At the very top are gamma rays, born from dying stars and nuclear reactions. They are the most energetic, carrying enough power to knock electrons right out of your atoms. And yet, in controlled doses, we harness this immense power to target and kill cancer cells. From the radio wave that brings you data to the gamma ray treating a tumor, it's all the same phenomenon, just with a different energy. It's all light, traveling at the same unbreakable speed, painting a universe far more complex and vibrant than our eyes alone can ever see.